southeastern Pennsylvania until 10 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have already fallen in spots. Rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Percy, Allentown, Durham, Bedminster, Flemington, Chalfont, Tinicum, High Bridge, Redmond, and Glen Gardner. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 8 and 26. Motorists should not attempt to drive around barricades or drive cars through flooded areas. The following